guys, this is Jason at Cuca, and today we're going to be talking about the level fitting with lag for cable railings with wood posts. This is a 2 3/8 long stainless steel fitting that is designed to mount to the face of a 4x4 wood post or attach directly to the face of a wall. It is available in stainless steel as well as blackened stainless steel. With every lag fitting you will receive, you will get a 2 3/8 long stainless steel fitting. You're going to get the threaded stud, a pair of jaws with a little rubber band around them, and your choice of either a 3 1/2 inch long lag screw or a 1 1/2 inch long lag screw. Okay, so the tools you're going to need are a cable cutter. This one has a beveled blade, so it cuts the cable nice and square. You can use a pair of cable pliers. This one has a little machined end for gripping onto the cable, and you can also use a 7/16 open-ended wrench for tightening up the fitting. All right, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to drive the lags into the wood posts. I'm using the lag end pointed first, and I'm just going to start by getting it hand snug with my fingers. Once it's almost all the way tight, you can just finish up the tightness with a 7/16 Bach wrench. So the first step is you're going to start by putting the stud onto the cable. You're going to put the smaller end of the stud on first with the larger hole pointing out. You're going to take the jaws and slide them on with your fingers and leave about 1/8 of an inch of cable exposed at the very end. And then you can pull the threaded stud up onto the cable. Hear a faint clicking sound as you pull it up into place. Now you can start threading the cable with the stud into the fitting just by getting it nice and tight with your hands. Usually you want the stud to be at least halfway or most of the way into the fitting so that it's not exposed when you're done. Okay, now we bring the cable all the way over to the end, and we're going to measure about 1/2 of an inch short, cut it back. Now we can put the threaded stud and the jaw onto the opposite end of the cable. Now we can use the cable gripping pliers, bite down onto the cable, and we'll use our 7/16 inch open-ended wrench to just tighten it up until it's nice and snug. One of the great benefits of this design is that it can attach to lots of different wood posts, columns, or even wood walls. The fitting is always exposed and easy to access in case you need to tighten it up down the road. I think it's a great and simple setup. So that's it. I hope you like it, and we'll see you on the next one.